Today I'm going to show how to make chapati dough in this wonderchef mixer. So you take the dough into this, add some oil, standard ingredients, so flour, oil, salt and water. Add some salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt here, which is healthy. You need to add water in installments. You should not add water so much. Now here we close it. I'm keeping the lid on. I'm giving a view here. How would it look? Sorry for the background noise. I can't do anything. Now I'll show you while rotating. You can see here it's still crumbly. So let's add a bit more water. You need to add water in installments, just not like, only once. Repeat the same. The dough needs to stick, form a lump, and you should not see any crumbles here and there. So you can see the dough is kind of sticking, making a crumb here. At this time you can add a bit of oil. Add a tad bit of water at this point. The dough. Now you can see the dough is completely sticking into a pile. Just keep on rotating this. So you can see here that it's completely